Alright, today on HelloFresh we've got quick crumbed chicken and mustard mayo. It was pretty quick, it took like 20 minutes. So yeah, the kitchen's pretty tidy as you can see. I had a rent inspection today, though it was tighter than this. This is just a mess after dinner. That's tidy for me, guys. This is like next level tidy for me. Anyway, we got the old chicken over here draining on the paper towel. I had to crumb it, so I had to put it in some egg, plain flour, salt and pepper, and then into breadcrumbs. As you can see, made schnitzel. They said to cook it for 3 to 4 minutes, which I did, and it wasn't cooked, so I had to like chuck it back in and cook it longer. Come on, HelloFresh, don't give me bloody salmonella. And then we've got a salad mixer here with salad leaves, tomatoes, honey, vinegar, a bit of olive oil, and then there's a mayo. This thing here, it's like mustard mayo. So we'll give that a go. Yeah, I'll plate it up and we'll go over there and have a feast. All right, so I've plated it up. So we've got the crumbed honey mustard chicken, which looks a little like this, and the salad. I'm not very good at plating up, but anyway, that's one of the HelloFresh recipes. It took me about 20 minutes, maybe a bit less to make. It would have taken me less if I didn't have to recook the chicken. It said 3 to 4 minutes, and I cooked it for 3 to 4 minutes, and it was still raw. Well, not fully raw, but it's pretty raw. So anyway, we've got that, and yeah. So I don't know. It seems like a pretty basic meal, but I mean, we'll give it a go. My main concern is that it's not very filling. It's chicken and salad. I mean, that's pretty common in summer, and we're in spring now. We're pretty close to summer, and you know, it seems like a pretty fresh meal for a fresh day, but I don't know, it just doesn't seem filling. It seems like maybe there needs to be some sort of carb with it. But anyway, could be wrong. Let's give it a go. I got some of that mayo mustard on the chicken. That was pretty good. I mean, the breading is pretty basic. You know, it's just egg, plain flour, salt, pepper, and breadcrumbs to make a schnitzel. Yeah, it's pretty good. The mayo mustard, I love mustard. I'm not a big mayo fan, but I love mustard, hey. And I'm getting a mustard taste, but it's not really the greatest mustard taste. It's very mild. And when I say mild, obviously HelloFresh is catered towards families, which is fine, because the spice the other day was not spicy at all. This mustard's not very mustardy. And like, sure, I understand who their target audience is and who they're trying to get to buy it, but for me, I'm going to go to the fridge afterwards and grab my Dijon mustard out, because this is, like, it's alright. The chicken's pretty good. I mean, I'm glad I cooked it for longer, because it's like just cooked, and I cooked it for about 10 minutes. They wanted me to cook it for 4 minutes. Are they honestly trying to give me salmonella? Anyway. That's alright. Anyway, we've got the salad. They call them snacking tomatoes. I'm pretty sure that's a cherry tomato, mate. Snacking tomato. Pretty sure that's a cherry tomato. Anyway, let's give the snacking tomato a go. And some of the other salad. Yeah, okay. The honey vinegar, olive oil kind of mixed together. I was a bit skeptical about, but it's actually got a nice flavour. Yeah, tomatoes are fresh. I love it when you bite into a snacking tomato, and you get like that burst of like liquid come out of it. I love that. Yeah, it's not bad. Oh, I forgot one thing. You're supposed to put I think it's almonds. Hang on, I totally forgot that. But flaked almonds. You're supposed to sprinkle them over the salad. I forgot. Literally forgot. I liked almonds. I don't know what's so special about them being flaked, but anyway, we'll give them a go. Now we got the flaked almond on the salad. Let's see if we can get a tomato, some almonds, maybe a little bit of a salad leaf. Oh, I just lost me tomato. Get on there, you mongrel. All right, let's go. Yep. Almonds just give that like uplifting, nutty taste. It's good overall. It's pretty healthy. It's pretty quick. They had to fry in oil. It wasn't like proper fried. It was just like shallow fried the chicken. Everything else is pretty good. I haven't read how much sugar and salt and sodium, all the rest of it's in any of the ingredients. Maybe I should do that, but I haven't. So I'm assuming it's pretty healthy for you. Tomatoes, salad, almonds, chicken, and a bit of honey, which is a bit of natural sugar, a bit of vinegar, and then the mayo mustard. Obviously, mustard and mayo, no, not so much mustard, but mayo's got a bit of fats and things in it. But overall, I think it's pretty good. It's not the greatest meal, but for a quick, easy meal, it's pretty good. But yeah, overall, I'm pretty impressed with HelloFresh. It's a little bit more than Dinnerly, but I feel like you get more, and I feel like the meals are better. Like Dinnerly, don't get me wrong, the meals weren't bad. They were tasty, but they were very small, and I felt like they took longer. Whereas the HelloFresh meals, I feel are healthier and are quicker, and just you get more, I feel. And it does cost more, a little bit more. But not bad. But overall, if you're a busy family, 100%. If you're a FIFO worker or a lazy person or someone like me who works, 40 plus hours a week, or if you're a shift worker, by all means, if you don't have much time, this is awesome. But if you're someone who loves cooking, this is still good because obviously you're cooking. And a lot of these recipes you can, modify and add your own things into. But if you're someone who has time and wants to cook more complex recipes and, can go to the supermarket, I'd recommend you do that. There's a myriad of different YouTube channels where you can learn how to be a home cook. But, if you're scarce of time, definitely. And you're worried about what you're eating and you find that you're eating frozen meals and, things like that, HelloFresh is a good way to start. 100% would recommend. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep exploring.